Here we go.
Alright, starting with the heart, we have the aorta's in the back, right? So this is the pulmonary trunk right there. The aorta's right here going up. What else do we have to know from the heart as far as arteries? Do you guys know what we have to know on the heart as far as arteries? Let's just do the veins because we can see the veins better on this one anyway. This is the anterior vena cava. It moves up, or it moves up towards the head, and branching off from it, we have the left, or the right and left brachiophilic veins, and then branching off of that, we have the right subclavian right here, I believe. Right here we got the external left or external right jugular, the internal right jugular. This right here would be the right suprascapular. Can you see it from there? Actually, that might be. No, I don't know what that is because this is the internal, that's the external, and. Yeah, okay. I think this one is actually the subclavian, and this one is the suprascapular, but it's been damaged. And then the posterior vena cava comes out from underneath the heart. I don't think you can see it from this angle, but it's right here, flowing past the liver. Move the intestines out of the way. There it is again, down there somewhere. There it is, right there. That bluish tissue, right there. All right, can you turn the page? Oh, and the sections of the heart. Wait, this is the right auricle, the left auricle, the right ventricle, and the left ventricle.
Or the atrium.
Or the atrium. Atrium works too. All right, thank you, Dexter.
Lymphatic system.
Yeah, lymphatic system extraordinaire. Clap, clap. All right, this is the right carotid artery, right there on the right side of the larynx. It's left carotid artery, opposite. The bicarotid trunk is underneath this vein. I can't get at it. It's the big red tissue under the vein. And it comes out the aorta. It branches off the aorta. The right subclavian and the left subclavian are different in that the left subclavian actually branches off of the aorta before it branches into the brachiophilic artery. So the left subclavian, these veins are really messed up, or the arteries are really messed up here, so are the veins to some extent. This, I believe, right there is the left subclavian, and then over on this side, I don't see it, I think it's gone over here. Alright, turn page. Oh wait, no, don't turn page, you're on the other side. Alright, let's try and get the lower half of the body. Right here we have the, what's this thing called? Oh yeah, this is the lower aorta, posterior aorta. Going past the diaphragm, we have the where is it? Right there. Going into the massive tissue is the coeliac artery. And then the anterior mesenteric artery, I don't see that one. I think maybe we should ask the lab assistant to come over. Lindsay? Yeah. Could you help us find the anterior mesenteric artery?
Alright. It's actually easier to look at on the other side.
Oh.
So, you want to look at the aorta and just follow it down.
Yeah.
And the first branch off, you see, it's right here. You have to look closely.
Alright. Right. Is the coeliac the first?
Yes, that's the celiac right there.
All right.
And then the second branch is really close to it.
Right there? Okay.
The anterior mesenteric. And then if you keep following it down, the next one you come to goes straight into the kidney.
Is that the renal?
Which makes it the renal.
Renal, sorry.
No, that's fine.
All right.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. There we go. That was well done. Better than myself, I must admit. All right. Now we gotta find the... There we go. Oh, this one's nicely done right here. This is the left external iliac artery. Branching off of it is the left iliolumbar, right there. They don't name this one. I don't think. I don't see it anywhere. They don't name it. But this is the left and right umbilical arteries. Inside of it, very, very faint, we have the left internal iliac artery and the right internal iliac artery over here. But Dr. Lee said they were so small they probably wouldn't test on it unless it was really, really visible. And I don't see the corresponding structures on the other side. They're underneath the slab of tissue. This one is the right iliolumbar artery, and then this one's the one that's not named. That's not going to be tested on. All right, can you flip the page? All right. Dang it. Yeah, these
the same thing, but
basically.
Yeah, they should be blue.
Yeah. And the veins are underneath on the posterior end.
The bottom part of it.
There is the posterior vena cava right there. It should run the length. And the renal vein should come straight out of the kidney. It can be seen right there, right next to the renal artery. And then the left external iliac vein. All I see is arteries down here. I don't see a vein.
Probably got cut.
I don't think it got dyed well because all the blue dye is up top. Yeah, I don't see it, but the veins are basically the same as the arteries, just underneath and blue. There we go. That finishes our examination.
Cool.